Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have two tarot cards. So we've got the Seven of Pentacles and we also have the Fool. We have an Angel Answer card, which is be assertive. And then we have another word they kept giving to me, and I love this, breakthrough. Some of you this week are going to get some sort of breakthrough. That it just felt really strong for me for some of you. So let's begin. The Seven of Pentacles. This is a card where someone has been tending. You can see there it's meant to be like either a bush or shrub or a plant of some sort. And this person is standing there waiting. They have put the seed in the ground. They've watered it, fed it, tended it, nurtured it, looked after it. It's still not ready yet. So some of you have got this feeling like, oh, come on, where you are working towards something or on something and it's just taking a little bit longer than you anticipated or expected. So this feeling can sometimes come along of with the Seven of Pentacles, of frustration, of I've waited long enough, that sort of thing. Come on. But look, you can see in the picture there, and this is very important with this card, to know that what you have grown, what you have worked on behind the scenes, perhaps for some of you, is going to be worth it. It's absolutely going to be worth it. And I feel that in relation to this is where the other messages sit. So some of you have been feeling like, oh gosh, it's taking forever. I've sort of plateaued. I've been in a holding pattern. This is the feeling with this card. I'm in this holding pattern. You think, come on, I just want to get going. I just want to get on. However, some of you can break through something this week, make a real difference. That's going to come to you in different ways, I'm feeling. So I've got the Be Assertive card here. For some of you, you are going to get inspiration. You're going to get ideas and things are going to come to you where you think, that's it. Of course I haven't been able to move forward because of this information or whatever this is, and it will suddenly become clear. And I want to say they just give me the word like enlightened. It's a real light bulb moment for some of you, and you're like, of course, this is absolutely what I needed, and so in that sense, be assertive. Take that. If it feels right for you, run with it. I feel like it's like, don't wait, don't hesitate, don't pause. Yes, make sure and check with your own inner guidance, your own heart and soul. But if that feels right, it just feels like, go for it. That's the sense that I'm getting. That's the idea around the be assertive with this. Now, the other way it might appear to you this week is in relation to the Fool card, because the Fool talks about a new start and a new beginning. Now, it doesn't have to be, for some it could be like the new job, the new home, but don't forget with the Fool and the new beginning cards is it can signify a new level or layer. So perhaps you got to a certain point and there you are, i.e. the Seven of Pentacles, but now with this inspiration or idea or offer for the Fool, sometimes it can mean an offer of some sort, could depending on what this is general reading, so it may be an offer of love, an offer of promotion, an offer of job, an offer on your home, you're selling it or something like that. It could be guidance, it could be information that you've been missing, as I've said, that suddenly you get the information, it sets you off on this brand new course, this one that you've been wishing for, hoping for, yearning for. And this is lovely because the Fool's path is one where you will be able to let go of things that you are done with. They don't work for you anymore, whether that's a place, it could be a lifestyle choice, a habit, you know. It could be people, relationships. You can see it in different ways, but you were completely and utterly, totally done with it. You know, it was like the old you. It wasn't who you are becoming. Now you let go of that and you can start afresh. You can start on this brand new path, and the Fool's journey is all about liberation. It's about freedom. It's about moving forward with lightness and joy and a spring in your step, and like you're like, yes, this is what it's about. This is where I was trying to go to. And you can see the whole demeanor of this person as they're walking their head towards the sky, the sun shining. Now with the Fool, you do sometimes get a leap of faith. Can you see they're just about to leap off of this, I don't know what you would call it. Maybe it's a mountaintop, a cliff, or whatever it is. Now, the idea with the Fool is that you've done your part, putting things in place. Now you've got to go for it. Now you've got to take the leap of faith. Now you've got to jump. Okay, and this is also where the be assertive comes in. You can't be standing on the top there and just saying, oh, I'll just stay here for a little bit longer. No, no, no. If this new offer or invitation or proposal or new information or whatever form it comes to you in, it makes a difference. It helps to break through something. That is your message, your sign to leap, to go for it. I am getting a great big green button in front of me, but they're also just pointing. They were very insistent, and I didn't know why. I sometimes don't know until I'm talking to you and it's coming out, that they wanted me to use the green background. The green is for go, guys. This is, you have got a big green light for this week, and they're saying don't be sort of wishy-washy with it. Oh, excuse me. Don't be wishy-washy with it. They're saying be assertive. Grab it with both hands and go for it, because it's going to get you out of this and it's going to set you on this track. So, how exciting. All right, I hope it's a good week. Thank you so much for watching.